Christmas, winter, and New Year all comes together. The best time to have food, cakes, coffee, and much more. And making a fruit cake, which is necessary for Christmas. I'm talking about a really fruity, full-on Christmas cake here. And everything is cooked in one pot. That's the raisins you can see. These are a lot. Almost a full cup of raisins. And then currants. Almost a cup of currants. And after the currants, I add some chopped apricots in raisin size to have a sweet, soft and tangy flavor. Almost a cup and a half dates, sweet, fleshy and soft. And these dates I'm sure will make the cake dark, squishy and moist. Tia Maria or any good coffee liqueur is a very important ingredient to add in a Christmas cake. But here I'm making my version of non-alcoholic Tia Maria. I take a half tablespoon of coffee, some warm water, and very good vanilla. Mix it well and let it cool so I can add my final ingredient to it. Here I am making a caramel by adding full cup of sugar. This caramel gives a unique flavor to our Christmas cake, a flavor like butterscotch toffee and a little smoky and bitter like a coffee. Let it melt itself slowly on a very low flame. On this stage, move your pan like this, not with a spoon at all. Now you can see all the sugar has been caramelized. Now you have to switch off the flame and add some hot water. And then slowly mix with spatula. Here is my gorgeous amber glossy flake of caramel is ready. I'm taking this malt, which I'm sure you know, that malt is a fermented drink in which the primary ingredient is grains or seeds or barley. My coffee concoction is cool and ready for the final touch. This malt and lemon flavor I'm sure will give the exact flavor I want in my version of Tia Maria. Oh, you can see such a gorgeous non-alcoholic coffee liqueur. I'm going to put everything in the saucepan and melt together. Butter about 200 grams. 1/4 teaspoon of grounded cloves. And some cinnamon powder of same amount. I've got this dark muscovado sugar, about a cup or more. The zest of 2 oranges. And the juice of it. The juice of both 2 oranges. Now I am adding some cocoa powder, not much. Just a full tablespoon, and it will not make the cake chocolatey. It will just enhance the flavor. Put the saucepan on a low flame. My kitchen is smelling like heaven, full of fruity fragrances, like scented candles. I wish you could smell it. But yes, you can smell the same, for sure, by making the same in your kitchen. And you're gonna love it. My glossy caramel into the saucepan. And mix well. A cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and pinch of salt. When it cools down, put in the eggs, 2 eggs.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Gloss the cake with caramel and olive oil mixture. Tin out the cake. This for me is a magical moment to decor my cake in a fruity way. I hope you like the cake and the video. I love to read and reply your comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a